Looking to start your own private label supplement line? Work with full-service supplement manufacturer NutraCap Labs. We operate a state-of-the-art FDA-registered facility in Norcross, Georgia that has over 300,000 square feet of high-quality raw materials and heavy machinery. Unlike many online brokers that claim to be manufacturers, we really are one, and we invite you to tour our facility with founder John Wes Houser. Our formulation specialists will work with you one-on-one to develop a unique formula for your new supplements, as well as new logos and labels for your new custom products. We are proud to offer industry-best lead times and low bottle minimums, so you can get your products quickly and without as large of an upfront commitment. We offer samples of our products so you can see your products before placing your full order. Get started today by calling NutraCap Labs at 800-688-5956.